But at least I got the trailer off. Just a PSA on the video you're about to watch. I was messing with the settings on the camera and I don't know what happened. It's all blue right now, so it's for the first 3 minutes, so just, you know, get through it for me. So there's always some issue. So first drive, for some reason, I'm not going into third. It kept popping out of third every time I try to go in. So took it apart. I'm on the side of the road right now. Oh, got this clip. So I'm starting to think the cable did in fact get stretched from looking at this area right here. So I'm gonna adjust this to the lower setting to see if that helps actually fully engage it. If it doesn't, I have another set of cable, brand new ones at home that I'll just install. But now I gotta double check to see what's going on. So let me just swap this to the lower setting and hopefully that helps. If it doesn't, then put it back to the original one, drive it home 1, 2, 4 and swap the cables out. Because if you can see right here, look at these wear marks. So I'm thinking it did in fact bend. I switch the mounting location to the lower half and it does seem as if it goes into gear now. Before it was like halfway there, but right now it seems as if it does go into gear a lot more. So I'm gonna take it for a spin and see if it goes into gear. Put into third, no problem. Saw that boost cut? It still has a little bit of boost cut-ish. I'm thinking probably dirty plugs because I haven't not changed the plugs in a while. But so far, the shifter, I just gotta make a plate. This is what I was talking about. Make a plate that's shorter. Mill this one down, and I think that will solve this whole issue. Just gotta mill this portion out, and I'll be good. But for right now, I'm happy with it. So right now, I'm heading all the way to Jersey to go pick up an extra all-wheel drive transmission that came up for sale. So the purpose of this one is to use it so I could swap over the H22 gears into it. So I could get rid of all the CRV gear sets. And then, you don't often see these things go 80 miles an hour. Ooh, shit must be wobbly. And there's this. So this is another all-wheel drive B series transmission. Picked it up. It's a good price. So it's fairly clean. I'm gonna run it. Yeah, but I picked this up because I have a project I'm working on with the winter. I'm not sure if I showed you, but I got some new gear stacks. gear stacks right here. I'm gonna take them out. So today's gonna be interesting. I'm heading to PA to get that transmission from the Prelude, the 89 Prelude, so I could start assembling the transmission for the all-wheel drive Accord. It's a long trip. I'm gonna take you guys along with it. I'm gonna actually have to pull a motor. I'm gonna see if I'm close to Harry You Pull It to see what they have over there. Maybe I'll make it, maybe I won't. Depends on traffic. But that's the plan for today. Go get this transmission, throw it in the trunk, and just see what happens. Currently, we're about an hour out from the destination. So, left early, smooth sailing. So hopefully we'll get there early. Pulling everything will be smooth. Only hope, right? So I'll pick this up once we get there. So we're here, and I pull this out so I can get to the transmission. This is what desperation looks like. I needed this thing, so gotta do the work in order to be able to pull everything out, rebuild the transmission the way I want it to be. But it's not bad. Just gotta lift it up now and start taking out everything else. But we're moving. So here we are. We have everything out finally. Now just gotta take the transmission off and be on my way. So all this work just for this transmission. So got it. I'm about to put it in a plastic bag and throw it in the trunk and start packing up and be on my way home. Long day. So I'm not sure if you can see, but something is on fire. So this is why I'm in traffic right now, stalling, backed up, but something is burning. They shut the whole highway down. Looked like somebody's car caught on fire. Whole highway shut down. Cause it's been telling me for the last 2.5 hours or 2 hours that I'm gonna be home in an hour and a half. So I guess this is why the highway shut down. Oh. Caught fire on the trailer. That's odd. Ooh, it's no good. It's no good. Well, at least I got the trailer off. The 18-wheel, I should say. That's out the way. No, that's burning. Ooh, not good. So, transmission is home. The spare all-wheel drive transmission, and the gear stacks are somewhere else. I'm going to be starting on this little process, breaking it down, maybe in a few weeks. But I'm just happy I got all the parts needed to get the process started. I just need to finish up the exhaust. Where is it? Oh, there it is. To finish up this muffler, how to mount it. I got some ideas. Got to put it in and finish welding the back section before I start taking these apart, because I have to clean up all this mess. Finish one project,